If you regularly work with files that have messy or unclear names, Easy File Renamer helps you organize them in minutes without scripts, commands, or technical setup. Let's walk through each feature step by step. Once the Easy File Renamer is open, you'll see a clean interface designed for batch renaming. This tool works for documents, images, videos, music files, and folders. You can click Add Files to add files or all files from a folder and bring in the items you want to rename. You can add hundreds or even thousands of files at once. These are the files that I will be choosing. As soon as your files are loaded, you'll see their current names listed clearly. From the Select Rule drop-down, you can select how you want to rename the files. Some common options include prefix, you can add text before the file name. Suffix, add text after the file name. Replace text, replace specific words. Remove text, delete unwanted text. Numbering, add sequential numbering. Lowercase, uppercase, and title case, you can also change the case letters. Each rule focuses on one clear task, so it's easy to understand and control. After selecting a rule, enter your desired values. For example, I want to replace text IMG and I want to replace it with the name of the client. You don't need to memorize anything, the options guide you visually. Make sure that you have enabled show preview and add the rule, and immediately you can see the new name of your file. This step ensures accuracy and prevents mistakes, and nothing is changed until you confirm it. Once everything looks right, click Rename. Once you click Yes, all selected files are renamed instantly and consistently. As you can see, these are the names of my files, batched renamed by Easy File Renamer. Easy File Renamer is very easy because there's no coding or scripting required. You can easily preview before changing, and it can handle large batches smoothly, and it works across all file types. So, it's designed for professionals, creatives, and anyone who wants clean, searchable file names without extra effort.